Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It is Boys Higher Secondary School Soga, Class 11, topic plasma membrane and subject is zoology. Dear students, our today's topic is very important and very interesting, that is plasma membrane. This is plasma membrane. What is this plasma membrane? The plasma membrane or the cell membrane. That means this plasma membrane is also called cell membrane and it is also called as plasma lemma. Dear students, this plasma membrane or the cell membrane, it is found both in eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells. This plasma membrane provides protection for the cell. The most important point here is that it provides a complete protection for the cell, this plasma membrane, because this is the plasma membrane which is responsible for both exit and both the internal and the external affairs of the environment. Dear students, it is responsible for both input and the exit of the cell, and it is the cell membrane which gives protection for the cell. It also provides a fixed environment inside the cell. सेल के अंदर यह एक फिक्स्ड एनवायरनमेंट पैदा करता है, तो ये प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन. That is the first point. It is that it gives a complete protection, or it provides a complete protection for the cell. And the second point of the plasma membrane is that it also provides a fixed environment inside the cell. Then the third point is that it is responsible for the entry and the exit of the molecules in the cell. That is the most important, that nothing can come out and enter the cell without the permission of this plasma membrane. Though this plasma membrane, it is responsible for the entry as well as the exit of the molecules in the cell. This is the fourth point. And the next fifth point is that it is the living and dynamic organelle of the cell. Why it is the living and the dynamic organelle of the cell? Because it undergoes constant renewal and repair minor injuries. Dear students, this plasma membrane, which is also called a cell membrane, which is also called a plasma lemma, it provides protection for the cell, number one, and it also provides a fixed environment inside the cell. Number 2, 3, it is the responsible for the entry and the exit of molecules in the cell. And number 4, it is the living and dynamic organelle of the cell because it undergoes constant renewal, repair of the minor injuries. Then, who discovered this cell? Dear students, if we talk about the discovery, the cell membrane was discovered by Sachsman in 1838. This date may be noted that the cell membrane was discovered by Sachsman in 1838. Then we talk about its alternative names, and I have already called you in front of the lesson that these are also called plasma membrane, this is also called cell membrane, and it is also called plasma lemma. What are these alternative names? Plasma membrane is also called as cell membrane and plasma lemma. The name cell membrane was given by Nageli and C. Kramer in 1855. The name plasma membrane is the second name, that is the cell membrane was given by two scientists, that is Nageli and Kramer in 1855. And the name plasma lemma was given by Aikyo Palva in 1931. The name plasma lemma was given by Aikyo Palvi in 1931. Though it is alternative name has a background that some scientists work on it and they give it name cell membrane also and plasma lemma also. Then the size. The plasma membrane is about 70 to 100 angstroms thick. All the membranes, whether internal and external, are now called as biomembranes. It is also called as biomembranes. Though, if we talk about the size is simply 70 to 100 angstroms thick, and all the membranes of the plasma membrane, whether internal and external, are now collectively called as biomembranes. Biomembranes are selectively permeable for solutes, but semi-permeable for water. This is about the introduction, the discovery, the alternative name, and the size of plasma membrane. And tomorrow we will discuss its structure, inshallah.